Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Buligay Beach, Poblacion District 1, Brooksville, Palawan. Kita-kita tayo dito guys, meron dito banda mamaya at saka fire dance. So kita-kits, si Frog in the house. Hey! Was there a lifetime waiting for us in the world where I was yours?